Mga kababayan, tulad ng sinasabi na ang issue ngayon ay yung 2026 budget. Wala pong kaibahan ito sa 2025. It's still equally the same corrupt budget. If you've listened to the bicameral conference committee, although pinakita nila in public through internet, no? Makikita mo na muro-muro pa rin. Klaro-klaro yung si Gatchalian at saka yung Mika, tawag ko nga doon, sa mukha pa lang, mukhang vampira eh. Doon yung Mika, parang sinisip-sip niya yung dugo ng taong bayan eh. So, kunyari, they are opposing the changes in the budget, in the BICAM. And yet, at the end of the day, pumapayag pa rin. So, what kind of leaders we have in this country? Kaya, yun po, the PCIJ has reported, papakita, kunyari, in public. Unlike before na nakatago. Pero, at the end of the day, nag-giveaway pa rin ang mga senators sa, sa puwata ni Vince Dizon at ang House of Representatives. At saka yung Department of Transportation and House of Representatives. So, what is something new? When Saldico has identified the mastermind of the corruption as Mr. BBM, getting 25 billion in insertion, and getting another 52 billion from the Alcantara scam in Bulacan, what do you expect? Will he stop, this president of ours? Will he stop with this corruption? It is very reflective doon sa 2026 budget na si Marcoy Jr., siya pa rin ang konduktor ng konsyerto. Yun lang po, I'll just answer your queries later. Magandang umaga po muli sa inyo lahat.
Ano ang inyong reaksyon patungkol dito? Para sa iba pang mga katanungan o suhestyon, i-comment nyo lamang sa ating comment section.